lifestyle investing, where we invest based off our lifestyle to build future lifestyle. Mike, myself, and my dad.
Dad is in the house.
Dad is in the house. Man.
I'm here.
Here we go. So, why the question? Okay, because we're very concise here at Lifestyle Investing, right?
Lately,
I know. Lately,
we've been reining.
I know we have before. Nobody knew what we were
No,
talking.
exactly.
We just talk.
We just started at mid sentence, and you had to figure it out.
Yeah. Well, the title, the good caption. Word,
Yeah, that's right.
It was always helpful.
Yeah. that's
And the descriptions.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta get back on subject. So the question is China stocks.
Yeah.
All right. We've talked about stocks a lot with past guests. We brought up with me and Mike quite consistently. But one thing that I think is interesting is my dad has brought up multiple times of China stocks that he's invested in. So that's the what we're gonna talk about.
Yeah. The why is like Craig had talked about before. We're in a global economy, so the world is bigger than just the United States. The U.S. dollar, how that affects everything. So it's okay to go and look around and see what is happening in other places in the world, and it might give us some insight about what's happening here. So that's the why.
That's it. Yeah. China is actually it's like a sleeping giant in many ways. So many people there. The economy is moving. It's kind of interesting what Trump did recently with the aluminum and steel, where he's wanting to put tariffs on, and so I feel that he put that out there on a global sense, but it's really targeting China, because China actually has been taking advantage of us, I believe, over the years. We get a lot of goods from China, but how many goods, American goods, are over there in China?
Right.
And
yeah, it used to be made in Japan. Now everything's made in China. Is that kind of what it was like 50 years ago or something?
Yeah, that's right.
And now it's made in China.
Exactly.
Or even Korea too, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But with that said, China does have a lot of opportunity there. And I've been looking at different stocks. There's a stock, JD, I believe. It's like an Amazon. Okay. And so now,
yeah, I've heard of that company.
Actually, so what are the numbers?
I know it's not, the name's not JD, but I've heard of the Chinese Amazon. Or it's like that's basically what I've heard it called.
Yeah, there's a couple of Chinese Amazons, and this one in particular, the ticker symbol is JD. Actually, that one I don't have. It's only 7.48% year to date, but there's a lot of room for growth. And then I have another one which is TCEHY. And
TCEHY.
And that one is up 20.32%.
Since when?
This would have been about 9 months.
Oh, wow.
And then I have another one, which is ROM, ROM, and that one is up 41.46%. So these are all about...
Same time frame?
Yes. Now, I have a whole list of stocks. In fact, it's like a mutual fund.
You created yourself.
I created my own mutual fund, and right now it's rolling. Even with the downfall that we recently had, we're rolling at 12.48%. Yeah, and just a couple of weeks ago we hit a major pitfall.
Yeah.
But now things are moving up. So there's a lot of opportunity in China.
So first of all, how did you find these stocks? Right? If someone's only invested maybe a couple of the big names in the U.S. and then they're like, okay, I want to try out a little bit on the Chinese side. Where do you start and what do you look out for?
Yeah, so I tend to look at what's happening in the United States, and in particularly because I know it, and I'll see, okay, so we have Amazon. So I'm sure in China they must have an Amazon, something of that fashion, or is Amazon over there? So I just start Googling and researching and go, well, that's a good option. So I kind of look what's happening in the U.S., and just blanket it over there, and that's exactly what China does to us. They look at what we have, and then they go and make it, and then they sell it back to us cheaper. So I just reversed it and use it in the stocks. So
that's smart.
So it's been lucrative. So I have a number of Chinese stocks and some other ones as well. And so it's I challenge you to have a look at that.
Have you been burned, or has everything been kind of even, or all plus? Has something in China hurt you?
I have one. It's
what was the worst?
CHIQ. Right now, that's down 3.95%. Now, when they get to about 6 to 7%, then I start looking at that. If it's 6-7% on the downside, and then I might sell it, and then I just watch it, and I might swing trade it. If you're
Okay.
familiar with swing trading,
No, explain it a little bit.
so swing trading it's a little bit different than day trading, which you're sitting there all day long and you look at the market
right.
up and then you sell. So swing trading is over a little bit longer period of time.
Okay, that
Because a
makes
lot of
sense.
people have to work, they have
Yeah.
jobs.
Yeah, I was doing that with a 3D stock, 3D printing.
Mhm.
And I would buy it at this certain dollar amount, and then when it would go up $3, I would sell it, and
Mhm.
I'd buy it again at the certain. It was doing that for a few months. I hit it like 3 times, and then it went way high, and I set a new floor, and I lost. It
Oh.
went way down.
Oh,
yeah, and
yeah.
so I because I broke my own rule. I
Oh,
bought
yeah.
it at like $5 above where my previous bottom was,
Yep.
and so yeah,
You-
so I got hurt.
You
know, I
mentioned rules.
got- yeah.
Stick with them.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
Don't
yeah,
break
it's
the
pain.
rules. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, we're almost 6 minutes, so we're gonna. skip
Oh
on
wow!
the next
Hey,
one.
all right. Hey,
And
well,
that,
yeah.
next video we'll talk more about that rules, discipline, that kind
Yeah.
of stuff.
Dude, yeah, it's good. Yeah, what
Yeah.
did I call for? Thanks for spending 6 minutes
Yeah.
with us, guys.
All right.